welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to be reviewing few of the products from the brand Nat Habit, which is India's very first fresh natural beauty brand. Now even I didn't knew about this brand unless a friend of mine actually asked me to use few of the products, which I did, and I was pretty happy with the performance. So here I am to bring you the review thing. Now we'll go into the review part, but before that I want you to know the speciality of this brand and what separates it from other organic and natural brand out there in the market. So yeah, let's take a little sneak peek into the brand. Nat Habit is 100% vegan, is 100% cruelty free, it's 100% Ayurvedic. But what makes it unique is that every time you order a product from their website, what you get is a freshly made product straight from their kitchen right to your doorstep. I mean, isn't it amazing, guys? Because you are getting a fresh product each and every time, right? Another thing is that each of the Nat Habit products is actually administered by a cosmetologist, by a certified doctor, so you need not be worrying what goes in the formula because they are super clean. They are 100% free of chemicals, 100% free of any preservatives, which is why they tend to have a very low shelf life, like 15 days, 30 days, 40 days. It depends upon the product ultimately. So yeah, I mean, it's an Indian brand, and what makes it stand out in the market is that the use of ingredients. They tend to use ingredients, even perishable ingredients like yogurt, curd, and raw milk, gram flour, malai, all sort of things. So which other companies, I guess, are unable to use. So yeah, making it absolutely vulnerable. Exactly. So I ordered three of their products. The first one being their Daily Upton. This one is a Nat Habit Fresh Daily Upton in Delicate Rose. This is for every skin type. It retails for rupees 95, and you get 40 grams of product in this. This needs to be refrigerated, and it has a shelf life of 15 days, I guess. Used before 15 days from manufacturing. Yeah, right. It has ingredients mentioned over here, directions over here, and the packaging is nice. I mean, it comes with this nozzle, so it's easy to store, easy to use, easy to take out, and you know packaging is nice. Now, the only con is that it's only available in Delhi and it's not for other cities. So, Delhi beauties, you must try this out. Trust me, this is a wonder pack with infusion of powerful ingredients like gram flour, yogurt, rose petals. I mean, this is a wonderful pack. It makes your skin moisturize. At the same time, it controls acne, blemishes, and it evens your skin. It prevents dullness because it has yogurt in it, which actually moisturizes your skin, and the gram flour, which act as a mild exfoliator. So yes, I mean, with with these powerful ingredients, it's really a magic pack. Application is pretty simple. You just need to wash your face with a mild cleanser, and after washing you need to apply this a thin layer of this all over your face and let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes until the pack dries off. And yeah, just wash it and apply your moisturizer just like you would use a normal face pack. Also, this can be used as a scrubber or as a face wash because it is so gentle, it has no chemicals in it, and the gram flour, it is it works as a fine exfoliator, so it will not it's not harsh on your skin. It's very soothing, and you can use this twice a week, not more than that, because again, super exfoliation is not needed. A mild one is okay. So yeah, that was it. I'll just show you the color and consistency. So you see, it smells good. It smells like haldi chandan face pack. So this is face pack. It needs to see, it needs to just sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then just wash off. I don't know if you can see this on camera. Yeah, that's it. So as I said, this is my second order, and I have been using this, like I have used 6 to 8 times, and it does gives your skin that hydrating effect because of the yogurt thing. It exfoliates, so it's a good face pack, and because it's fresh, because it doesn't contain any chemicals, I am like, yeah, why wouldn't I be using this? So this is a must try. Only con, it's only available in Delhi and not for other cities. That's a con. Next thing I have with me is this fresh hand whipped malai. This one is in pumpkin walnut. It comes in two variants. The other one is lemon, I guess, but I chose this because it has anti-aging, anti-wrinkle properties. This retails for rupees 204 and you get 25 ml of product. The shelf life is 30 days and even this needs to be refrigerated in summers. This is the packaging. It comes in this cute tub and this is the hand cream or hand malai. The consistency is buttery. It has a very calming smell of shea butter and clove. It's not too strong, not too mild either, but just perfect. Just massage it and you are good to go. The best part about this hand malai is that it has no glycerin in it, like unlike other hand creams and hand lotion which tend to have high content of water and glycerin in it, which actually draws or absorbs the excess water and lipid out of your skin. See, lipid actually controls the water loss, right? And if you are drained out of lipid from your skin, I mean, then obviously your hands will get dry after some time, right? This has no glycerin to it. Glycerin also tends to weaken the collagen fibers, so making your skin sag and obviously promoting aging. So this has no glycerin in it. It has ingredients like pumpkin, walnut, almond, raw milk, shea butter, coconut oil, sunflower oil, clove, lotus, rose, beeswax, and vitamin E. So yeah, my experience with this hand cream is like perfect. It's a wonderful hand malai. It nourishes your hand, it moisturizes your hand, it also prevents cuticle peeling, it protects your nails. Earlier my nails used to chip a lot, but with regular use of this hand malai it's not happening, not yet. So yeah, this is a beautiful and wonderful hand malai which with this cute packaging. Only con I think is that it's not that travel friendly because the packaging is not that sturdy. The it tends to open when inside my purse, so that's a con. Other than that, it's a good hand malai. Yeah. Lastly, I have with me this fresh makeup melt in lemon squeeze. This one retails for 165 rupees. You get 25 ml of product and it comes with a shelf life of 2 months. This is how the product looks from inside. It has a packaging similar to that of the hand malai one, but I don't know, for some reason the cap of this is more sturdy than that of the malai one. I don't know why, but that's it. Yeah, it's more it's more sturdy than that previous malai one. Anyways, this is a very soothing aromatic cleansing balm which is made up of cold pressed oils. It has no glycerin, it has no alcohol, no preservative, no chemicals, nothing, just cold pressed oils. And trust me, it melts even the stubborn makeup. All you have to do is just take required amount of this balm and apply it wherever makeup has been applied. Just massage it for a few minutes. Take a damp cotton pad or a tissue and just wipe it off. So yeah, I mean, when I tried it, I actually felt oil on my face still after wiping it off. So what I did, I used a mild cleanser post this, so it actually worked as a double cleanser for me. So guys, that was it for the review part. I hope you like watching this video. I really want you to try these products, but don't forget to do the patch test followed by the instructions, because see, these are made in India and it's cruelty free, it's vegan, and the best part is they deliver fresh kitchen made products right to your doorstep. Like, this is amazing now, so why not give it a shot? If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye, take care, thanks for watching.